Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about email and function keys, email shortcut keys. Press Alt plus S. Purpose is to send active message or document. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus V. Purpose is to open the address book. Press Alt plus J. Purpose is go to the subject field. Press Alt plus B. Purpose is to open the Microsoft Outlook message option dialog box. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus G. Purpose is to create the message flag. Press Shift plus Tab. Purpose is for selecting the previous field or button in the email header. Now moving toward function keys. Press F1. Purpose is to get the help of the office assistant. Press F2. Purpose is to move the object or text or graphics. Press F3. Purpose is to insert the auto text entry. Press F4. Purpose is to repeat the last work or action. Press F5. Purpose is to choose the go to command. Press F6. Purpose is to go to the next frame. Press F7. Purpose is to choose the spelling command. For extending a selection, press F8. Press F9. Purpose is to update the selected fields. Press F10. Purpose is to activate the menu bar. Press F11. Purpose is to go to the next field. Press F12. Purpose is to choose a save as the command. That's all from this video. Do let me know in comment section if this video was helpful for you or not. We'll share more with you. Till then, stay connected and take care. Allah Hafiz.